Kape lang?
Kape lang, kape lang.
Flat white?
Ayaw mo na ano.
Wala. May nakita si cycling chef na area. Picture muna tayo dito. Maganda naman siya. Pag nakita mo, maganda yung place. Teka, low tide.
Doon na tayo sa... Punta kami sa Rojas Boulevard.
Rojas Boulevard.
Punta kami ng MOA. Andun ang MOA.
Doon lang siya banda eh. Ayun pa oh.
5 minutes lang yata eh. Parating na naman. Grabe na kami sa airport.
So umabot na tayo sa dulo ng East Coast Park. Itong road na to is the road towards Tanamera Coastal. Papalaban yung factory in a few.
Ano ba yung road bike?
Kasi what's... Ay, so dulo na tayo ng East Coast Park. In 500 meters, nasa Tanamera Coastal na tayo. So, dun tayo mag-i-start ng workout for the next 13 kilometers. So, 13 yon, 2 ways, which makes it 26. Left. Just go, Anthony.
Kaya ako nandito, mag-enjoy eh. Ayaw ko nang masakit masyado. Alam mo ba normalized power ko kahapon dun sa ride natin?
Aha.
Nasa 140 watts yata. Tapos pati yung pauwi, 140 something watts. Dahil dun sa mga inakyat natin.
Ang ganda ng mga inakyat natin, no?
Nasa loob ng ano eh, no? Pagpasok, boom!
Boom! Natawa ako doon sa sinabi mo eh, anak ng kamatis. Okay, that's Tanamera Coastal. The moment we turn right. So 13 kilometers yan ha. Para matansya mo yung effort mo. Okay, 7:31. Start na tayo sa Tanamera Coastal. So, this is going to be a 13 kilometers from here to Changi Road. Since papasok tayo sa Changi Village, give it like around 15 kilometers. So, two-way, pagbalik namin ulit sa East Coast Park, that gives us roughly 29-30 kilometers. It's a reasonable good distance if you're doing a workout. So, for now, enjoy the view, that cycling chef in front of me, and we're just gonna do a drafting. So for those who are not fully aware, yung Tanamera Coastal, meron siyang dedicated cycling lane, which is roughly around 1.5 meters, para hindi ka nakamix sa mga trucks and cars sa gitna ng daan. 33 rolling speed, kilometers per hour. 37.
voices right on the big old highway. The sound gets in your bones. Everybody driving 90. Love's not a destination. I think it's a journey home. So what if mine is on the lonely road?
Pero ito,
What if mine
pwede ka palang lumakoy, no?
Pwede, malakas lang yung...
Huliin ka.
Yeah. So ito yung tawag dyan, Pulau Ubin. It's the last island ng Singapore na parang na-keep nila as it is. So kampong like talaga barangay. So how you see barangay in the Philippines, ganun dyan. Kinip nila. And then yung island na nakikita mo sa likod na maliliit, yan ang Malaysia.
Ito, Singapore ba to? Ito
Yes.
mismo. Tapos yung kabilang side, yung may mga ano na yun.
Yes, pag may nakita ka na sampahan, akit na tayo. Merong birds. Okay, so balik na tayo sa main road.
back to the old
Para
horizons?
makita nyo yung boardwalk. Nandito na kami sa Changi Village ni Chef. And ito yung Changi Village Hawker Center.
Summer worlds colliding. Fall off the big old highway. Spring in a hand to hold. So what if
Yun ang pronunciation niya, Chiclo E Cafe. Okay. Dito na kami, Chiclo Cafe. Pasok tayo. Let's go inside. Yan. Wala rin siya dito, wala siya. Ano yung bike sa loob? Gold. Gold bike.
Pero mas interested ako sa ice.
Ay, so tapos na kami sa Changi Village. Pasok kami dito sa may boardwalk area. Nakapasok na natin sa Jeju Island. Ito yung kalsada sa gilid ng TMCR na merong view ng Malaysia sa gilid. So, right now, nandito kami sa Singapore. Pero what you see right there is Malaysia. Okay, so trivia lang. Why Jeju Island and why Singapore built such kind of road network sa mga bikers? So, in summary, this is Singapore's very simple attempt to encourage everyone, not only tourists, not only locals, to enjoy cycling without risking their lives sa main road or highways. So, this is part of a inter-island cycling path na ginawa nila to allow everyone to cycle in safe spaces. And hence, nasa gilid siya ng dagat and walang sasakyan na pwedeng bumangga sa inyo. So, yeah. If you are visiting Singapore or if you are starting to bike in Singapore, so this is one area where you can cycle with your family na ligtas kayo. Ano, stop na? Stop. Ganda oh. Stop tayo. Tapos, picture. Kumusta ang NCC ride?
Ayos!
Ayun oh. May dagat sa Clark.
Yung NCC, nakaduktok niya sa Patahandog eh. Tayo Maribeles.
Oo.
Ganda
Okay,
oh.
so pasok na tayo sa East Coast Park. So how do you compare Tanamera Coastal sa Clark?
Mas mahaba yung ano yung coastal road dito eh. Mas makakapag-effort ka ng mas mabilis. Pero syempre, for me, since nandun tayo sa Clark, kumbaga you can do things na magagawa mo, yung nagagawa mo dito, pwede mo magawa rito, kaya mo rin gawin sa Clark.
Yeah.
Ang kailangan talaga natin, mas ma-promote pa natin yung cycling sa Philippines. Sana mapuntahan din yung Clark at sana ma-develop pa ng gusto at sana makarating dito yung mga taga CDC para naman makita nila na mayroong ganitong place na pwede nilang opyahin.
I like that. Ang ganda ng point ni Chef na yon. So hopefully, yung management ng CDC, try to visit Singapore and learn from them on how they promote and support cycling community. Kasi we already have the infra. All we have to do is just to enhance it. So yeah, hopefully it's something that you can learn from Singapore. And we already have Clark, we just have to develop it. Okay, so nakapasok na tayo ng East Coast Park. Babaytayin namin to kasi kaninang umaga hindi nakuha ni cycling siya. Gawa ng madilim pa. So yun ang approach namin. Papalik ng city, dumaan na kami ng East Coast Park para makunan namin siya ng mas maayos. And basically para mas ma-appreciate nyo yung quality ng video na kukunan namin. Okay, tara, so enjoy natin to. City ulit. And from East Coast Park, ito yung bridge that connects it. Paglagpas namin sa bridge na to, Marina Bay na and Gardens by the Bay. Yan, whatever you see dun sa kabilang side, dadaanan natin yan. Yung nakikita mo ngayon is the fresh water. Yan yung sinasabi ko na later you will see the separation.
Saan may parad?
Yes, dadaan tayo sa barrage. So, tingnan mo. From this side, you can now see the city. You can see the flyer, Marina Bay Sands, Suntec City, Gardens by the Bay. Tapos, to access that, pupunta tayo dun sa barrage. Entering the bridge. Then, right after this, city na tayo. Okay. Pasok tayo dito. Tignan mo magkaiba yung kulay, oh. Okay lang. Waya! Kung nakita yan.
Ay, teka, may picture dito.
Tara! Alos patapos na kami. Nasa business district kami ni Cycling Shop right now. So hanap lang kami ng kakainan and then wrap up na tayo sa day 2 ride. Okay. Okay, so tapusin natin yung day 2 natin sa food adventure. Kuha tayo ng soup. I think this is a good brunch. Tirahin natin yung banmian.
Fish fillet ban yan.
Mag-banmian ako. Okay.